Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Master Edition and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here at the third place we have shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to camera and when I take another picture, we can't hear it. And of course, by tapping again on right corner settings and shooter sound, we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.